my baby Wolverine?
Are you the princess of Meowtown? Are you just a melting snowman?
Stars, they're just like us, especially when it comes to their love of cats. Here are 5 celebrities you didn't know were absolutely obsessed with cats. Number 1, Lea Michele. The former Glee actress turned Broadway star and internet villain loves her cats.
Oh, that's Sheila! That's my cat!
Lea actually found her adorable cat Sheila on set. Sheila was a lost kitten in the parking lot of Paramount Studios, and Lea was a hardworking young diva with nothing but talent and a couple cans of wet food in her pocket. Even though Lea has a boring old human baby and husband now, there will always be a special place in her heart for her fluffy friend, as chronicled on Instagram. Next up is Gigi Hadid. This gorgeous supermodel is no stranger to a life of luxury, but her precious kitty Cleo didn't have quite so cushy a start. Gigi found the adorable stray hiding in a car engine. Since then, these two gorgeous girls have formed a close relationship. Gigi even calls the cat her best friend. If I was her sister Bella, I might take that a bit personally, but I would also probably just hang out on a yacht and not worry about my sister loving a cat more than me. The adorable cat even has her own Instagram, @TheRealCleoHadid. The furriest Hadid has almost 6,000 followers, which is 42,000 in cat followers. It's science, just trust me on this. Ed Sheeran is also obsessed with his cats, Dorito and Calippo. Dorito is an orange tabby who kind of looks like, well, you guessed it, a Dorito. Calippo is a Scottish fold named after the British popsicle brand. It seems like Ed had the munchies when he adopted these two adorable furballs. The delicious-sounding kitties are way more Insta-famous than Cleo Hadid. The pair have over 260,000 followers, which by our completely made-up metric is over 1.8 million in human followers. Ed claims these clever pussies, his words, not ours, set up the Instagram themselves with no help from their loving cat dad. We believe you, Ed. You have a very trustworthy face, I guess? Next up are Hailey and Justin Bieber. The famous couple certainly spent the most on their exotic hybrid cats, Tuna and Sushi. In fact, they spent $35,000 on the pair, which in cat dollars is, you know what, never mind. The adorably scary cats are Savannah breed, a cross between domestic breeds and African wildcats, and they're frickin' massive. The Biebers attracted controversy by purchasing the exotic breed instead of just adopting a cat like any normal couple, but hey, when have the Biebers ever been traditional? In response to the criticism, Justin posted that PETA can suck it. The man has a way with words. PETA might have a point, but Sushi and Tuna are really cute, even if they're a bit scary. In 2019, the couple had to temporarily rehome the cats, who Hailey describes as amazing but psycho. Who could have predicted? Finally, the most cat-obsessed celeb there is, Miss Taylor Swift. Okay, maybe you knew this one. Not only was the superstar in the movie Cats,
When they reach the scene of crime, McCavity's not there.
she also is super into cats. Taylor has 3 adorable kitties, Meredith Grey, Olivia Benson, and Benjamin Button. Not only do these cats have their own last names, these trust fund fur babies also have more money than we could ever dream of. Olivia Benson's net worth is reportedly $97 million. You can buy a lot of catnip with that. The gorgeous Scottish fold made her fortune acting in commercials, but she's also spoiled by her famous mommy. The cat-crazed celeb even had a birthday cake made with her cat's faces on it. Aw. Or ew.